Welcome to Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen. Hey, we are eating good on the road. I'm taking you to Sumter, South Carolina, to a restaurant that belongs to a beautiful family, and they happen to be related to me. We're going to Jackson's, but first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here on Sugar Pearls. Let's get back to Jackson's. This is going to be your new favorite family restaurant.
You all right?
This is so beautiful. Joe, that's my cousin Joe, y'all. So that's Joe Jr. Look at this, is beautiful. And all day long, just traffic. Now the sit down part, you can sit down and have your meal also. Hi. Good, thank you. This is good stuff. I'm so proud. Look at that. Bonafide commercial kitchen. Hey, Boo! That's my niece, Dee. Yes, she and her husband, Joseph. Hi. Get down. Yes. Y'all gotta come to Jackson's. Welcome to Jackson's. That's my niece Ashley, grinding away.
Can I get your name?
This is
Let
the
me know
menu.
if I need to stop and help you fix it.
Nice and gravy.
Okay.
Yo, that's a lot. That's a lot. You get a lot of stuff. There's so
Any more sides?
many
You get 3. Oh, okay.
choices.
So you got your rice and gravy.
Look at Ryan. I remember when he was born. Look at him. You are working. This is a family affair through and through. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Full commercial kitchen, honey. I ain't gonna show you all the business, but full commercial chicken. I said chicken. Kitchen. You see what my mind is. Oh, this is awesome. Hello, I would like to have the fish, fried fish. Yes, ma'am. And the dressing. And the, how's the mac and cheese today?
Mac and cheese is great.
Is it good? Okay. I mean, I know it's great. I'm just torn between that and the pasta salad.
Well, you get 3 sides. So.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Let's do the pasta salad and the mixed greens. Yes.
You
Thank
want
you.
a roll or cornbread?
No bread.
No bread?
Nope.
Would you like any dessert?
No, not today.
Would you like a drink?
Do you have any water? Bottled water?
How about a water?
Yeah, I'll have bottled water. Now wait until she brings up this ridiculous price, y'all. Okay. Because it's oh my gosh. All this wonderful, delicious food.
$13.20 is your
For
total.
$13.20. Get down to Jackson's on any day. I already showed you the schedule. On any day. Okay? Stand by for more and you'll get to see my plate in just a little bit. So this is everything I ordered today from Jackson's. I got 2 pieces of fish, fried fish. I've got some cornbread dressing. I've got some mustard greens and turnip greens together. I got a little pasta salad. She gave me some hot sauce and some tartar sauce for my fish. Baby, all this food. Did you see all this food? Do you see all this food? Now I gotta get on the road. Oh Lord, look at all the dressing. Y'all make me sick. Ooh, you better come to Jackson's, baby. Southern cuisine at its finest. Oh, get you some. Let's see. Look at this fish. Fried, fresh. I can eat fish any day. It's steam coming out still. Oh my God. Y'all come to Jackson's. It is on, I guess this is Highway 76, going to Shaw Air Force Base, right at the fencing. There is a plaza there. Let's see what's in this plaza. Oh, there's a Put It Down Hair Master Studio here, the Juice Doctors, the Furniture Guys and Thrift Store, TTT Nail and Spa, and I think there's like a U-Haul rental office, but it's a plaza right here, and they are tucked right here in the corner. Jackson's. See you next Sunday. Bye.